Welcome to the Introduction to Research podcast series. This is a quick overview of what's inside and what the intended purpose is. The goal of these podcasts is to lay a basic groundwork for trainee researchers to build on. The content follows the research process from conception to publication and contains a lot of practical advice. Nobody will become an expert researcher simply from watching these 5 to 10 minute episodes, but one should feel more comfortable working with a mentor and research team and starting to conceive their own work. I can't stress enough that good mentorship in research is critical to creating quality researchers and quality research outcomes. This is the full list of podcast topics in the order in which they're on the playlist. Several of these talks are geared specifically towards orthopedic residents and fellows at the University of Calgary. There's still elements of value, but these may be less applicable in other contexts. The topics can also be batched into instructional modules depending on the desired use. The first few podcasts are aimed at getting a study set up. The next module looks at approaching data analysis. This module deals with visual presentation forms. And finally, the last module deals with manuscript creation and submission. These podcasts are the aggregation of things learned from many people. I would like to thank Drs. King and Johnson, who were my research mentors and master's supervisors. A lot of what you'll see and hear is a reflection of their influence. Also, thanks to Dr. Bailey, who was one of the first to sit me down and talk about how to put a research presentation together, the Writington Upper Limb Unit, where I got my start in the clinical research world, and Dr. David Sabo, who taught me that there are no statistics without proper questions. The Office of Faculty Development is where I learned about the existence and production of podcasts. There are many other folks from whom tips, tricks, and the lessons of hard experience have helped influence and shape these talks. These podcasts are the first run, and so there may be things that require attention or topics that would be good to add. If so, please let me know. Finally, these podcasts are enlisted for several reasons. Please share as required, but I would ask that you don't put public links to these podcasts at this time. Please enjoy.